There has been discussion in the crypto community around the safety of the Bifrost wallet, specifically the fear that it might be stealing user funds. Let's address this concern directly. Bifrost is a non-custodial wallet. This is a critical distinction. It means that the wallet itself does not hold or control your private keys or your crypto. Only you do. Your private keys are stored encrypted on your device and are represented by your secret recovery phrase. The fundamental principle of self-custody is that if you lose your recovery phrase or expose it to a third party, your funds are at risk. No non-custodial wallet, including Bifrost, can access or move your crypto without your private key. To bolster trust, the Bifrost wallet has undergone independent security audits by respected firms like Cure 53 and FYEO, with no critical vulnerabilities found. The wallet structure is designed to minimize data collection, enhance transaction transparency, and prevent common phishing attacks. So, is Bifrost wallet stealing crypto? Based on its non-custodial architecture and independent audits, the answer is no. If a user loses funds, it is almost always due to exposing their private key or seed phrase, or interacting with a malicious decentralized application. Always follow best practices, never share your recovery phrase, and always verify transaction details before approving. Your security is ultimately your responsibility.